Here's mine all about Apple Vision Pro jailbreak. People eagerly await a jailbreak for the Apple Vision Pro because it's all about freedom and pushing the boundaries of what the device can do. Jailbreaking opens up a world of possibilities, allowing users to customize their devices in ways that Apple may not officially support. With a jailbreak, users can install apps and tweaks that offer features and functionality beyond what's available through the standard App Store. It's a playground for innovation and experimentation. Additionally, the jailbreaking community often consists of enthusiasts who love to tinker with technology and share their discoveries with others. It's a vibrant and creative ecosystem that can lead to exciting developments and enhancements for the Apple Vision Pro jailbreak. So, the anticipation for a jailbreak is driven by the desire for more control, customization, and the thrill of exploring the full potential of this cutting-edge device. Users may be excited about the prospect of gaining more control over their Apple Vision Pro, allowing for a more personalized and tailored experience. Jailbreak Apple Vision Pro can also open the door to running third-party apps and software that may not be available through the official Apple App Store. This can extend the functionality of the device and allow users to explore a wider range of applications and tools. Furthermore, some users enjoy the challenge and adventure of jailbreaking their devices, viewing it as a way to break free from manufacturer restrictions and explore the full potential of their hardware. If you are one of those who are waiting for the jailbreak to come out, we strongly recommend subscribing to our blog and bookmarking this post.